Article 14. The following are aggravating circumstances. Number 1. That advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Number 2. The crime be committed in contempt or with insult to public authorities. Number 3. The act be committed with an insult or disregard to the respect due to the offended party's account of rank, age, sex, and that's committed in the dwelling of the offended party if the latter has not given any provocation, Number 4, that the act be committed with abuse of confidence or obvious ungratefulness. Number 5, that the crime be committed with a public palace where the chief executive or in his presence, or where public authorities perform their duties, or in a place dedicated for worship. Number 6, that the crime be committed during nighttime in an uninhabited place or by a band, or whether such circumstances may facilitate the commission of the offense, or whether 3 armed men, malefactors, shall acted together, or whenever 3 or more armed men, malefactors, shall acted together, shall be addressed by a band. Number 7, that the commission of the crime in an occasion of conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, or epidemic, or misfortune. Number 8, that the crime be committed with the aid of armed men or persons who ensure impunity. Number 9, that the accused is a recidivist. A recidivist is the one who at the time of his trial for one crime shall have been previously convicted by a final judgment of another crime. Embrace of the same title of Article 80. Embrace in the same title of this code. Number 10, that the offender has previously punished by an offense to which the law attaches or greater penalty for 2 or more crimes. 11, that the crime be committed in consider of a price, reward, or promise. 12, that the crime be committed by means of inundation, fire, poison, or international ball of damage, threat, or any use of artifice involving greater harm or loss. 13, the act be committed with evident premeditation. 14, the act committed by fraud, the act be committed by craft, fraud, or disguise. Number 15, that the advantage be taken by superior strength or means to weaken superior strength or to means to weaken the defense. Number 16, the act be committed with treachery or alevosía. 17, by means employed or circumstances to which add ignominy to the natural effects of the act. Number 18, the crime be committed with an unlawful entry using a wall, roof, floor, door, or window be broken. 20, that the crime be committed with the aid of persons under 15 or by means of motor vehicle. 21, that the wrong done in the commission of the crime deliberately augmented by causing other necessary for its commission.